So now we are going to demonstrate the first part of this isolation cubicle. It is a 3-wall system. It is folded and kept in a corner when not in use. The system has adequate latches and locks in position to hold this 3-walled cubicle, part cubicle, into a thin wall like section so that it can be stored away when not in use. Can you please open up? So we open the latch there. So one of the walls open up. So this is the entrance side. This is the entrance side, which has a self-locking, self-sealing curtain and operating instructions in a poster next to it. And the other side is the back wall of the cubicle. Now this system can be set up very quickly around a patient bed in a hospital to give complete isolation. Now we are demonstrating the second part of this system. Now this part has a other side wall which completes the cubicle along with a folding roof. The entire structure is designed to be very lightweight so that it can be assembled and dismantled by 2 people. You can see this is one side of the other side of the wall that forms the cubicle, and there is a roof part which can be lifted up when deploying. So that is the roof part that goes up to form the complete cubicle, and it has 2 patient access ports on the left side bottom, and if you see at the top there is an inlet suction fan which sucks fresh air into the cubicle, and there is a multi-mode air purifier on the top left sitting there which cleans the patient's exhaled air and then lets it out. Now we are going to demonstrate full assembly of the cubicle by 2 people. So the first part, which is a 3-piece cubicle, comes in first and gets deployed in a C shape. So you can see the entry side getting opened up, and then there is the other side, head end of the cubicle get opened up. Now inside this you can always push a bed inside. You can just assemble this just next to a bed and then push the bed into the cubicle. Now you can bring the second part. Now the second part can be brought in next to it, and then the roof can be deployed over the already deployed part of the cubicle. There are enough place holding lock and features in that in the entire system. You can see the top and the bottom of the joining plate has 3 pins which get locked and holds the entire structure rigidly. So there are 6 pins you need to lock to keep the structure stable. To hold and lock both the structures together, you just need to insert a pin, and the pin locks and holds the entire structure in place. There are 6 such pins. You see from top to bottom. There are 3 on this side and 3 on the other side of the structure. We have a plug at the bottom left of the wall, and this switched on. The inlet fan and the multi-mode air purifier automatically go on. Then at the side there are 2 patient access doors. Each one is locked with the gasket seal. It can be opened and then doctor can access the patient. There is also an option for the patient comfort. There is a patient comfort fan and light. This can be switched on both from inside or the outside of the cubicle. Now you can see the multi-mode air purifier and the inlet fan working. Through the self-sealing door, a doctor wearing PPE kit can enter the cubicle and look at the patient. There is also 2 switches for patient comfort. One of them is a fan and a light. You see the light goes on, and the fan, patient comfort fan, also goes on.